We will see some question answer based on Act 3, Scene 5. Who is the speaker? What does the speaker mean when he says the sins of the father are to be laid upon the children? So here the questions which are given, it is based on your scene. So when you go through this, please open your books also to get the things clarified. Lancelot is the speaker. He is speaking to Jessica. Lancelot refers to the book of Exodus, the Bible, to say that the villainy and sins of Shylock are laid upon Jessica. I speak my hesitation of the matter. Lancelot means cognition but wrongly uses hesitation. He intends to say that he is speaking his thoughts about the matter. Number 2. Why does the speaker think that Jessica is damned? How can Jessica hope to escape damnation? Lancelot thinks that Jessica is damned as he is the daughter of Shylock the Jew, villainous, cruel mind. Jessica hopes to escape damnation by marrying Lorenzo, who is a Christian. Question 3. How, according to the speaker, would Jessica becoming a Christian may lead to a rise in the price of pork? Lancelot jokingly says that as people like Jessica gets converted to Christianity, there will be more pork eater. Jews are forbidden to eat pork. Pork is actually the meat of pig, and therefore there will be a rise in the price of pork. Give the meaning of the fool hath planted in his memory an army of good words, that for a tricksy word defy the matter. Two lines are given. The fool, that is Lancelot, has memorized a whole lot of words which are good but tricky. Number B, that a tricky word confuse people. Number 4 question. What makes Jessica say while praising Portia that Bassanio should live an upright life? Bassanio should live an upright life as he has got a lady like Portia as a life partner. She moreover adds that if two gods play a game, that is heavenly match, where two women are the wager, and if one of them is Portia, then there should be something additional to the other women on earth so as to match Portia. Number 5. What does Jessica say to indicate that there is no woman on earth equal to Portia? Do you agree with Jessica? Why? Jessica says that if two gods play a game, that is heavenly match, where two women are the wager, and if one of them is Portia, then there should be something additional to the other women on earth so as to match Portia. Yes, one should agree with Jessica. Portia is not only a beautiful lady who is obedient and loving, but at the same time have the wit and intelligence, which is a combination of all things good on earth. Therefore, Jessica is right in praising Portia in such terms. Number 6. Why does Lorenzo ask Jessica for her opinion of Portia? Briefly state Lorenzo's opinion of himself. Lorenzo asked Jessica's opinion about Portia as he wanted to hear Jessica praise Portia. And then he states that all that one can find in Portia as a wife, one would find the same in Lorenzo as a husband. Lorenzo thinks that he as a husband possesses all good qualities of Portia as a wife. What does Lorenzo accuse Lancelot of after the former comes into the scene? Briefly state the remarks made by Jessica to indicate that there is no danger of such an accusation. When Lorenzo comes to the scene and sees Lancelot and Jessica conversing, Lorenzo jokingly comments that he will be jealous of Lancelot if he sees Lancelot to be conversing with Jessica thus. Jessica says in response that Lancelot was saying that Jessica would be damned as she is the daughter of the Jew, Shylock, and that by converting to Christianity, she is a factor in raising the price of pork. Number 5. Do you think that Lancelot is humorous and not clownish in this scene? Can you perceive any change in Lancelot? What is the change? Yes, Lancelot is humorous, but at the same time clownish in this scene. Though there is a sharp progress we can see when we compare Lancelot in Venice to that of Lancelot in Belmont. Lancelot has become sharper in wit and has become humorous. His clownish antics are now humorous wit. Question 2. Who is his speaker? Who is the fool in the extract? What is meant by how his words are shooted? Give an example to show how his words are shooted. Lorenzo is a speaker. The fool referred to in the extract is Lancelot. Lorenzo is surprised at the way Lancelot is using perfect language. Lorenzo finds it unusual that a person of Lancelot's standing can distinguish so well between different meanings of words. In the dialogue preceding this extract, Lancelot has shown his verbal wit when he was asked to serve the table and cover the meat. State how Lorenzo explains the fool's wit. According to Lorenzo, there are many fools who have memorized a lot of tricky words which they use to confuse people and have fun, and many such fools are in better place than where Lancelot stands now.